Think experienced cruises are just lucky? Think again. In this video, I'm going to share with you 10 things that instantly make you look like an experienced cruiser, even if it's your first cruise. These simple cruise tips are going to help you avoid common mistakes, save time, reduce stress, so you can enjoy your vacation from the moment that you step on board. Whether you're sailing Royal Caribbean Cruise Lines, Carnival Cruise Line, Norwegian, MSC, Disney, Princess, these hacks are going to make your next vacation smoother and more enjoyable. So if you're new here, welcome. My name is Barb at Cruise Savvy. Every week I share cruise tips, ship tours, and give honest advice to help you have the best cruise possible. So let's get started. One thing that you're going to notice about experienced cruisers is they don't wander around wondering where to go. Before they even step on board, they already know what they want to accomplish first. Maybe it's booking entertainment, grabbing lunch, checking out their cabin area, or heading straight to the pool. Embarkation day can feel a little chaotic, but having a simple plan saves time and it makes your day much more relaxing. Skip the buffet. This surprises a lot of people. The buffet is usually packed on embarkation day because that's where everybody automatically goes. Experienced cruisers often head to another complimentary venue instead. Depending on the ship, that may be Park Cafe, El Loco Fresh, Guy's Burgers, the Solarium Bistro, Cafe Promenade, or any other quick service option. You're going to usually find shorter lines, a quieter atmosphere, and much more relaxing start to your vacation. You can even book a specialty restaurant for embarkation day if you'd prefer. The third thing that experienced cruisers do is they pack a swimsuit in their carry-on. So nothing says rookie mistake like waiting for your luggage while everyone else is enjoying the pool. Your checked luggage might not arrive until late afternoon or even into the evening. So pack your swimsuit, sunscreen, medication, travel documents, and anything that you're going to need that first afternoon in your carry-on. You'll be enjoying the ship while everyone else is waiting for their suitcase. Experienced cruisers check their app constantly because they know their app is their best friend while on the ship. Here on the ship, schedules are going to change frequently. Activities could get added. Shows are going to fill up. Reservations can be moved. Checking the app each morning and even throughout the day is going to help you stay ahead of the game. Don't overpack. After a few cruises, most people realize they only wear about half of what they packed. Experienced cruisers pack outfits they know they'll actually wear. Less luggage means easier travel, more closet space in your cabin, and fewer wrinkles to deal with. I actually did an entire video about my crazy packing idea that worked. Stop overpacking. Use these labels. I'll post this video at the end of this one so you can go ahead and click on it and learn that packing secret. Hey, don't forget to push that notification bell. That way you're notified anytime I release a new video and you're the first to catch it. Number 6, know when to avoid the crowds. Every ship has these busy times. The elevators are super busy after a show. The buffet right after excursions are returning. The pool on sea days around noon are crazy. Experienced cruisers simply shift their schedule a little bit. They might eat lunch a little earlier, catch an earlier or a later show. Also, they take the stairs when it makes sense. Those little adjustments can completely change your cruise experience. Number 7, check your onboard account every day. Small charges can sneak up on you. Specialty coffee, photos, casino purchases, drinks, and even your Wi-Fi. Experienced cruisers will check their onboard account every day so they can catch any mistakes while they're still on board. It's much easier to fix a mistake with your account before you leave the ship. Let's move on to number 8. So let's talk to the crew. One of the best parts of cruising is the crew. And it isn't about looking cool. It's about making your cruise easier. So let's talk to the crew. Experienced cruisers learn their cabin attendant's name. They chat with the bartenders. They thank their servers, maybe even give them a tip up front. Not because they're expecting special treatment, but because it's simply the right thing to do. And honestly, it often makes the cruise even more enjoyable. Instead of trying to do everything on the ship, leave a little room in your schedule. Sometimes the best cruise memories come from sitting on your balcony, watching the ocean, grabbing an ice cream, or enjoying live music. You don't have to fill every single moment of your day. Remember, you're on vacation. Don't wear yourself out. The most important thing here is to stay flexible, because when you're cruising, the weather changes. It's not going to be perfect all of the time. So know that going in. You may have rough seas, you may have rain, ports might change because of that. Shows may be canceled because of that. Things happen. Experienced cruisers don't let that little change ruin their vacation. They literally go with the flow. They simply adjust their plans and keep on cruising. Sometimes those unexpected moments become your favorite memories. Now, I know I said I was going to give you 10 things, but here's a bonus tip for you. Don't compare your vacation to someone else's on social media. Every cruise is different. Focus on making your cruise memorable, not perfect. So how many of these things do you already do? Maybe you're more experienced than you gave yourself credit for. I'd love to know in the comments. And if you've been cruising for years, what's one habit that you think instantly makes someone look like an experienced cruiser? Again, let us know. Let's share our information with everyone else so we can all become better cruisers. Keep in mind, your tip might be helping a brand new cruiser get ready for their very first sailing. And if you enjoyed this video, here goes my plug. Please hit the like button. Subscribe if you want to get more information like this from Cruise Savvy on future cruise tips. Like I mentioned earlier, we're doing ship tours, and I give my honest advice. It's my opinion, which may differ from yours, and that's okay. I love to hear all of your comments. I try to answer every single one of them. So until next time, happy sailing.